Guys, let me increase the audio. Okay, guys. So keep in mind, guys. So let me add one more. So base class default constituent your class. Default constructor is always present. Default constructor is present. Default constructor is present in all the classes. In the next. Default constructor is present in all the classes. All the classes. Default constructor, or you can call here. Let me add here zero parameter constructor. Zero param constructor. Guys, can you hear me? All of you? I'm audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So guys, let me create one dummy class and let me show you how it is able to work. Should I create one, for this purpose, should I create one more class? For this purpose, should I let me create one more class, guys. So let me finish this point of, so Control C. And here is my header files. Okay, guys, fine. I'll create dummy classes now. Okay, class, you can call super class. Okay, super class. Fine. Now opening closing curly. Just I'll create only here, only constructor, guys. Okay, only constructor, and I'll show you how it works. So public. Now what is the constructor name? It must be class name. Okay, this is default constructor, guys. Zero parameter constructor, or you can call default constructor will be called. Okay, fine. So I'm in super class default constructor. So Control C. So here you can see superclass constructor. Okay, fine, guys. I'm not going for creating one more anything great. So here instead of using super, let me use subclass one. Okay, subclass one, and who is superclass is public superclass C. Control C. Here is superclass C. Okay, now subclass one having the parent class is super C. Okay, and here let me change the constructor name sub C1, and here sub C1. Okay, fine. As I said to you, whenever you call the subclass constructor, definitely internally superclass constructor will be invoked or will be called automatically. So I'm in derived class. So here you can call superclass. So derived sub C constructor. So I forget to end here semicolon. So here also end with a semicolon, guys. So now you can go for parameterized constructor also. Guys. That will go later on. Hold on. Now. So in which order it will execute? So let me go for the parameterized constructor. Now here is base super and integer main. I'll add parameter constructor later on. Just let me execute. Let me show you this constructor by using default and default. So here let me create a subclass name. What is subclass name? Sub C1. So sub C1. So yes, C subclass. So I'm calling only sub C1. Okay, I'm not doing anything great. So here is getChar, and let me call return. That's it, guys. Return 0, and save the program. And constructor order. Constructor order. Okay. Control F9. So let me start execution. Control F9. Compile and Control F10. You can see here, guys. If you look at the output properties, that what the output is coming and what the message is showing here. First of all, I wrote the statement here, subclass SC, right? Subclass SC. But whenever subclass SC gets executed, the statement gets executed, control reaches to here, subclass SC1. Before executing this statement, I am in derived class. I'm in derived class. Control is moving to superclass. Control is going to superclass. Then superclass constructor statement is executed. Superclass statement is executed. What is superclass statement contains? Superclass constructor statement contains in super constructor. In super constructor is executed. So control will go from bottom to up, and execution will start from top to bottom. Keep in mind, guys. Control will go from bottom to up. Bottom to up. Execution will start from top to bottom. So first of all, I'm trying to create the subclass. I'm trying to create the object of subclass. Now control comes here. Execution. This constructor is internally calling superclass constructor. Control jump from sub C1 to super C, right? Superclass. Now control reach here. Execution starts from here. I am in superclass. Again, execution starts to here. I am in derived class. Do you clear? समझला का? अवधूत?
Yes, sir.
अरे वो explain करा क्या उसने का?
Okay, I will go one more time. I will create one more class. Okay. Again, one more explanation. One more confusion. Not confusion. Sorry, explanation. So I'll create one more subclass.
Yes,
okay?
sir.
So here subclass 2. Okay. Are you getting, guys? Now here subclass 2, and here I'm making here subclass 1. Subclass 2 superclass is subclass 1. Okay. Subclass 1 is superclass 1. Superclass. Are you following, guys? Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Are you following, guys? What I mean to say? Now.
Yes, sir.
Now see the execution now, guys. Now here. Now see the execution, guys. I'm not doing anything great. Just understand. This is multiple. Multi-level inheritance. Superclass, subclass, again subclass. Okay. Superclass here. Then subclass 1 here, and superclass. Class A, class B, class C. This diagram, guys. Not this one. This diagram. Bank to account, account to saving account. Understood? Superclass, subclass 1, subclass 2. Okay. Multi-level inheritance. If you look at this example, in this program, so let me minimize the space and let me scroll down. Okay, fine. I'm trying to create the object of which class, guys? Subclass 2, right? So now how execution occurs? Now subclass 2 will call internally the constructor of subclass 1. Now control comes here again. Subclass 1 calls the constructor of superclass 1. Now calling from bottom to up, calling from bottom to middle to again super. Clear now? Now execution. Starts from first output will come. I am in superclass constructor. Then execution will come. I am in derived class constructor. Then execution will come. I am in derived class subclass 2 constructor. Now let me run once again. Control S, Control F9, Control F10. Now you can see here, guys. I am in superclass constructor. I am in derived class subclass 1 constructor. I am in derived class subclass 2 constructor. While calling, control will go from bottom to up. While calling, control will go from bottom to up. Okay, from subclass 2 to subclass 1. Subclass 1 to superclass 1. Okay. Now, while execution, control will come from superclass to subclass, top to bottom. While execution, control will come from top to bottom, and while calling, from bottom to top. Okay, guys, let me add that note point. So control, constructor, control, calling, that is bottom to up, or you can call sub to super, and execution, or you can call execution occurs occurs, that is up to bottom, or up to down, or you can call here super to sub. Okay, guys, do you clear now? Avdut,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anuj, Srinivas, Dipali, then
Yes, sir.
Mujahid, then
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ganesh. These 2
Yes,
points.
sir.
These 2 points explains a lot. Bottom to up, constructor control is calling. First derived class, then middle class, then up class, super class, and then execution, super, middle, and then sub. Clear now? Clear, guys? I hope now you are clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Others,
Yes, sir.
please
Yes,
respond.
sir.
If any doubt, please ask me the doubt. Ask me doubt if any doubt is there. Okay, guys. 11:16. Remaining stuff. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Control A, Control C. Let me take the backup, and let me add this backup to here. I think I copied and pasted. Do I copy and paste the source code here? Yes, I pasted the source code here also. Okay, guys. So let me add the output. And here, where is my output? Control S, Control F10. So let me mark, right click, edit, mark. So this is the output. Guys, काय डाउट असेल तर विचारा पटकन. Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
In tomorrow's class, we shall see about abstract classes and pure virtual function. Okay. Okay, fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Please revise, guys. I sent more than enough notes to you. Please revise. Okay. Please revise. And
Sir.
Yes, sir.
one website, guys, Study Tonight. One website is there. You can go there, you can visit that website, studytonight.com. You can go for C, studytonight.com. You can go for C language, or you can go for C++. In easy way, it's for beginner. This is for beginner. Okay. This is for beginner just. If you want to go for more tough and harder, you can go for Sun Foundry. Morning I explain. Okay. You can go for Java T-Point also. Java T-Point is also good site. Java T-Point, Study Tonight. And then other some of the websites like C Tutorials. These are the website names. C Tutorials, CPP Tutorials. Okay. Hello, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
In today's session,
Yes, sir.
if you have any doubt, please let me know, guys. So before shutting down this class, I can proceed further. Means I can proceed. I can clear your doubts. Please. मलाई कळत नाहीये. Participants, I can call the students. कमी काय होत आहेत? कोणी आन्सर देऊ शकेल का?
Today Sunday.
Today is Sunday. असं नाही ना, माझा पण संडे. Today is also my Sunday, guys. I too have Sunday.
माझा पण.
Then everyone have Sunday. असं
Yes,
काही
sir.
नाही. Huh?
Yes, sir.
You are watching like a movie, but I have to act here.
Yes, sir.
I have to act or not? Definitely, I have to do more work.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
please ask other students. It's important, guys. In tomorrow, just we are
Okay, sir.
having,
Okay, sir.
just we are having another 2 to 3 topics which are more important. Biggest topics, subtopics are there more. I will explain. I will go to the virtual functions, most important virtual function abstract classes, and I will go with then I will cover file handling and exception handling. That's it. Only 3 top points are left, major points. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, guys, you have done more than enough work on Sunday. Please, after completion of this class, revise the topics and practice more. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
And sorry for the
Yes, sir.
disturbance which has been raised by my daughter.
No, sir. It's okay. No, sir. It's okay, sir.
My daughter won't. She makes phone calls. She always like to discuss with her grandmother much more. So, guys, please. Okay, fine. Please excuse. And
Yes,
tomorrow
sir.
be on time, 9 o'clock.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
guys. If in the doubts, keep in group. I'll try to clear.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes. Welcome.
Thank you all. Just close the meeting. And for all.